As part of our commitment to improving the financial well-being and understanding of households, we created FIQ by WFG. FIQ is based on an independent research study of more than 5,000 households, 622 WFG clients, and 1,677 WFG agents in the United States and Canada. Based on 5 core components, an FIQ is a score of 0 through 10. The higher scores represent a higher financial IQ. Those components are: how well do you understand financial matters when managing your short and long-term finances? How financially prepared are you if the main income earner in your household were to experience an unexpected financial emergency? How in control do you feel when managing your short and long-term finances? How confident are you that you will achieve your financial goals in the future? If you had to stop working, how long would you be able to sustain basic financial commitments? This is how our 3 populations performed. WFG agents scored 6.5, WFG clients scored 5.8, and the general population scored 5.6. 36% of households feel anxious about their current financial situation. In this period of economic uncertainty, people are feeling the squeeze. 50% of households do not feel confident that they can meet their long-term financial goals, and 32% don't even have a plan. FIQ assesses the financial resilience of households and measures their financial readiness to withstand economic shocks. It also helps households improve their financial knowledge and be better prepared if the unexpected happens. For more than 20 years, our licensed professionals have helped educate individuals on how to protect and grow their wealth. We will track FIQ scores for years to come and work to improve the financial IQ of people across North America. To improve your financial knowledge and resilience, visit worldfinancialgroup.com to connect with one of our agents.